Okay guys, let's say this is your task, which is you are asked to display only even number out of the range of number 1 until 50. So if you don't learn the repetitive statement, you might do like this. Here I just write down the even number start from 2 until 32 only, and the question asks you to display up to 50. So you're going to keep typing this thing like this, 34, and until 50. The programming will look very long and you feel tired of typing. So instead of doing this, you can use the while statement as we have learned earlier. And before that, if the question asks you to declare the variable, so this is no variable declared yet. So for example, if the question asks you to declare the variable, for example integer, so the variable is I, for example, and you assign I as 2 for you to display I. So you can change here, become I. So I will be displayed with the value of 2. So you want to display this 4 until 50, so you might want to declare a lot of variables. Okay, so it becomes longer than before. So instead of doing like this, you can do the while statement that we have learned earlier. So this is the example. Okay, but I didn't run the previous coding, but if you run it, it is no wrong actually, but you will make your programming long, as I said. But in order to make it simple, you just use the function while. Okay, in this coding I use the function of selective statement, which is if, because we just want to display out the even number. So here is the variable initialization. So inside this bracket of while is where the loop condition is placed. Okay, and if for it to display only the even number, so display I use printf, and here the I++ is actually the counter, or it can also be called as variable update. Let's see if it can only display the even number out of the range 1 until 50. Yep, it displays from 2 until 50, just the even number. So only using these few lines you can display a lot like this. So this is the simple example of repetition.